Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, we will show you exactly how to reverse money on the Capitec app. The first step is to open the Capitec mobile banking app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and your mobile number is registered with the bank. Once you've opened the bank app, navigate to the menu and select the Transact option. This will take you to a list of banking activities and transactions related features. From the list of banking features, locate and click on the debit order option. This will allow you to view and manage your debit orders, dispute transactions, and reverse transfer if there's fraudulent payment. To proceed with reversing a transaction or an immediate payment, you will need to enter your account information and remote PIN. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized banking customers can perform this action. After entering your remote PIN, you will be able to view your last transactions in your transactions history. Now, select the specific transaction that you want to reverse from the list, whether it's a wrong transaction or you need proof of payment. Once you've chosen the dispute transaction for reverse transfer, you'll be asked to provide a reason for the payment reversal. This is crucial for dispute resolution and assist Capitec in comprehending the nature of the refund transaction request. Before finalizing the reverse transaction, ensure you thoroughly read and agree with the terms and conditions associated with the payment reversal process. After reviewing and accepting the terms, click on the Submit button to launch the refund request. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.